Boys, as you well know, I went off the deep end and my car is a giveaway. But I'm going to tell you the biggest issue I've ever gotten from members was that the giveaways took too long. Well, we fixed that also. And it involves these things. So you guys remember when we initially got rolling, the idea was we buy the car, we build the car, totally restore it, do all this, and then you have the whole build on the channel to watch, and then we give the car away. Well, that's a great idea, and we did it 3 times, 4 to 8, 2-tone, and frostbite. But the problem is it takes forever. Yes, newsflash, it does take forever to fully build a car, especially from a shell. And well, like I said, we did it, but we're fixing all of that, and we're about to start the giveaways right freaking now. You guys know the goal is 4,000 members and somebody wins my car that has literally everything. I never was going to sell it, so I don't have any idea what I would ever price it at, but similar cars anywhere 55, 65, maybe more. I don't know. I know what I got in it, and that wouldn't cover it. But anyway, let's get into this. So we're getting rolling right now. I will have a date very shortly, but it'll be in the next couple of weeks. We're giving the Capri away, and then right after that, the 93 GT. That's if we haven't yet hit the 4,000 goal, member goal to give my car away. Sorry guys, we are burning some leaves. A little bit smoky. All right, let's talk about the Capri real quick. There was several projects I wanted to do to the Capri before we give them away, but guess what? When you're giving away cars like these and not buying brand new cars to give away, they are a project, whether you call them done or not. So guess what? This car runs, drives, is tuned, all that, has no mechanical issues, so we're giving it away like it is. I tried to fix the headliner, now it's your turn. They're projects with a lot of money in them, and I mean a lot of money. So the Capri is going to roll just like it is. Let's talk about the GT. So the GT was going to take quite a bit of time. I was going to go ahead and paint this car. The interior's good. Well, I'll go through all that in a second. It just needs, you know, some odds and ends and stuff like that. But I was going to paint the car, do all this stuff. We're not doing that. This car has a ton of money in it, and whoever wins this, if they want to paint it, they can. If they want to change the color, whatever they want to do, hey, it's got all the good bones. It's got all the expensive parts already on it. You just make it pretty. So talking about the GT real quick, 93 white on black GT. Interior is very nice. Got one small spot. Other than that, the seats are mint. Original black tweed. Like I said, it just needs like little stuff, which is not a big deal. Holley Terminator X, running the whole shebang. Good to go. Now the Capri interior is all there. I haven't put that back in. That's when I was doing the headliner, but it's all there. Now you just make it your own. And then of course my car, yeah, good to go. Now these two cars, obviously the Capri is patina, and that's where exactly how we wanted to keep it. But if you guys caught the video a while back, this has all the goods. My old combo from is in this car now. And Gen 1 Coyote, it's tuned, 1 7/8 headers, full 3-inch custom stainless exhaust, SN95 spindles, Cobra brakes up front, SVE bronze wheels, stage 3 Hanlon TR3650 transmission, Dakota digital cluster, Ford racing control pack. You know the deal. It's all there. And then the 93 GT is a 306 twisted wedge trick flow heads, track heat intake, Anderson, I think it's an N21 cam, headers, full exhaust. It's a pipes, X-pipe, and brand new Flowmaster American Thunder catback. Brand new 93 Cobra wheels. The rears are Weldcraft. They've been widened to 10-inch in the rear, and it has been converted to disc brakes in the rear. Tubular K-member, coilovers, electric fan. It's got everything. It's every bolt on, aside from a supercharger, is on this car, and it rips pretty damn good for a, you know, heads cam intake. Nothing crazy, you know, stock bottom end style build. Like I said, boys, if you have not signed up, you need to get in right now. We are trying to hit that goal quick. Last time I looked, we were right at 1,000, so we are moving fast in the right direction. If you want to win this car, you need to sign up now, because we got a whole lot of epic shit we're about to do. Of course, the Capri is going to, unless we hit that, the 4,000 number in the next couple of weeks, then the Capri will be the next car given away. Like I said, Gen 1 Coyote, Stage 3 trans. I mean, it's all my old stuff, and I love it. Still kicking after all this time. And then the 306. I am going to do some stuff under the hood before we give this one away, because I just don't like it. I don't like this. I want to put an Anderson power pipe or something. I don't know. I want to clean it up under the hood, because it can look 100% better, and we've just never really taken the time to do it. But guys, hit the link right now and sign up. And as I said in the video last week, if you haven't seen that, you need to go back and watch that. Roughly every 2 months, we will be giving a car away, and that takes a lot of doing. That's why we need to hit that 4,000 member mark so we can do it. And we're going to be doing a bunch of other cool stuff too. One suggestion that I had thrown at me that I like is a later model F-150 and like an 18-foot car hauler or 20-foot car hauler. Hook somebody up, you know, that's already got a Mustang. They got a tow rig to take to the track or take to car shows, with crate motors, with a transmission and a supercharger combo, stuff like that, guys. I've told you in those videos, this is my dream. This is what I want to do. Take the channel and the subscription a new direction, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I just need you to sign up. So there it is, guys. Pretty nice little combo. Once you get them, do what the hell you want. I don't care. Sell them, yank everything out, put it in the coupe. I mean, it's yours. Do whatever the hell you want with it. But again, there's a ton of money in these cars. Lots and lots of good parts. Drive them like they are. Do whatever you want. They're yours. Enjoy them. Just my way of saying thank you for being part of the premium subscription and doing epic shit together. All right, guys, that is the what. Let's freaking go. I would love to do this by Christmas. All you got to do is sign up for the premium membership on the Ultimate, and let's freaking get it. But in the meantime, we're not screwing around. We're starting the giveaways right freaking now. Cannot wait. If you guys have signed up, shout out to you. We've picked up, I don't even know how many. I'd have to go back and look, but we're over 1,000 now. It's freaking amazing, and we're growing really fast. I freaking love it. I can't wait to get rolling on this. I told you guys I was 100% committed, and I freaking meant that. This is what we're doing. Hope to have you guys as a part of it. It's gonna be freaking great. So if you haven't signed up, If you enjoyed this one, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.